This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing the bolt and collecting tools. Use penetrating oil to break corrosion. Wait about 10 to 15 minutes so the solvent soaks in. Then try controlled force. Hold the socket square, pull steadily, not jerk. This reduces rounding. If the head slips, switch to vice grips or a bolt extractor adapter. Make sure to wear eye protection and gloves because once the bolt moves, fragments can spring free. These first actions set up success for the harder steps ahead. Once the head won't turn, drill a pilot hole in the bolt's center. This guides the extractor. A left-handed drill bit sometimes backs the bolt out as you drill. That can save time. Insert the matched extractor and turn slowly counterclockwise with increasing steady torque. Avoid sudden force to prevent breakage. If progress stalls, apply controlled heat to the surrounding metal to expand it, let it cool briefly, then reapply penetrating oil and try again. These middle steps remove most stubborn bolts. After removal, clean and inspect the threads. Use a tap size to the original thread to chase out damage and remove debris. Blow out chips with compressed air and wipe with solvent. Install the replacement bolt with anti-seize or thread locker depending on the application, and torque to the manufacturer's specification. This prevents future seizing. If the extractor breaks inside, don't panic. You can re-drill to a larger size, install a helicoil or an oversize insert, and rethread. That single troubleshooting step solves most worst-case failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.